Whenever he would finish Fajr prayer, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, he says Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah three times. You ask Allah to forgive you for the shortcomings in your prayer. And then he would say, Allahumma inni as'aluka ilman nafi'an wa rizqan tayyiban wa amalan mutaqabbalan. Well, it's a special dua, and if you study it, it's at the right time. Allahumma inni as'aluka ilman nafi'an wa rizqan tayyiban wa amalan mutaqabbalan. Allahumma inni as'aluka ilman nafi'an. Oh Allah, I ask you beneficial knowledge, ilman nafi'an, wa rizqan tayyiban, and I ask you pure rizq, not haram, wa amalan mutaqabbalan, and I ask you for actions which I will do which you will accept. It's the three things you need as a Muslim. You need beneficial knowledge, and you need good rizq, so you can be good as a Muslim in this world, and give me actions which you actually accept. Imagine you start your day like that. You just prayed Fajr and then you make that dua, and this dua you make it after the salam. Fajr prayer only, special dua.